What's up guys, my name is Maya and in this video I'm going to talk about my DIY percussion massager that I built 9 months ago. I'm going to show you how I use it on myself and how I use it on another person. Coming right up! If you want to know how to make your own DIY massager, check out the video where I teach you how to do it. I'll link it below. It was so easy. This thing costs about $100 compared to Theragun, 600 bucks, Hypervolt, 500 bucks. Do it yourself. It's been 9 months since I built this gun and I haven't changed anything, okay? So it's the same lacrosse ball that I screwed into it, the same power bit, I didn't change it, and the same adapter that goes into the jigsaw. Everything is working like a dream. Let's get into some of the cons. The biggest one is it's a little bit loud. I mean, it's a damn power tool, but considering how cheap it is compared to buying one of those name brand ones, I'll take the loudness. The other one is some people might find it a bit heavy. I think it's about 5 pounds, which is no big deal to me if you lift. When you first start using it, another con, some people might have a hard time getting a consistent speed. You might have a hard time just understanding how much pressure to use on your trigger finger. For example, you know, if you are in a really sensitive spot, you might just want to hit it slow like this. And then you might want to amp up the intensity. Pro, it's $100, holla! Pro, battery life is actually really good. I find it can last for about 20 minutes of straight massaging, which is a really long time. We usually only use it for a couple minutes at a time. Another huge benefit is that it's still a jigsaw. So we actually have been doing some renovations and we took the adapter tool off of it and the lacrosse ball off and put in the jigsaw thing and was like DIYing. So during the day I was DIYing, sawing up things, and then at night I was DIY massaging. I'm going to show you how I like to use the massager on myself. So I might go a little bit of foot action. Feels so good right around the arches, and then I'll hit my calves. Just a couple minutes on each muscle group. Hit the quads. All 4 quad muscles, right? Go to the IT band, go into shin box, hit the IT band. While you're here, hit this side of the calves. And oh, I might go back to my feet. You can really do whatever you like, whatever's feeling achy. So I have a partner. Now you could do this thing where you're like, hey baby, you want a massage? And they're like, yeah baby, I want a massage. And then you're like, bring out the gun! Ah! He's not laughing. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I do Mike's rhomboids. This is where I hold a lot of tension and a lot of stress. This area right here in that upper back between the shoulder blades. Start slow, and then as he feels more comfortable, he might give you a thumbs up and say amp up the intensity. I'm gonna show you how we do the lower back, the glutes, and the hammies, okay? Here we go. So I'm just gonna avoid any bone, hit the glutes, glute max, baby. Hit the hamstrings. If you come to a knot or a sensitive area, don't force the gun into it. Just allow the vibrations to ease over it and then it'll release. Another huge benefit is you could do a whole date night thing out of it. So we like to do I go, you go. I might give him 5 minutes of gunning and then he'll give me 5 minutes. And it's awesome because it's way less strenuous than actually massaging each other.
Yeah. I like this thing because it works. It straight up works. I've had really tight, kind of where you do an awkward motion at some point, whether you're exercising or whatever, and something kind of half seizes, and then this as a targeting tool, and then you got to breathe into it. That would be my advice. It is fairly painful. That's why it's a trigger point. But it definitely smashed it back into like mobility phase. It worked very well and very quickly. Kind of 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes over. You get the gun, so you get your massager, you get the jigsaw, but this specific one also,
it does
opens into a.
I forgot about that.
It's also a sawzall, so you're getting a lot of value out of the fact that you get three things. The massager is just an attachment. Everything else it can do. So if you have any kind of liking for tools, you just get a lot of bang for buck here. You're getting, and you break it down very cheap for each function that you're getting.
This is the Works jigsaw, and I'm gonna tag it in the box.
Yeah, so versatile in that sense. I really like the versatility of this. Not to mention the tip. You can start playing around and being versatile with these as well. So your cost per tip for targeting different areas would be very affordable, and that's pretty nice. And then lastly, it's portable. It's super portable. So you could even realistically take it on a vacation. I would say as a con, there's a couple things. It's a little bit clunky. It's like a little bit bigger than probably some of the professional guns out there. But again, it's also a professional tool. So
it's a damn power tool.
Kind of makes sense. But for that kind of intimate work you're doing with a person, it's a little bit clunky. And then it only comes with one battery when you order it. And if you are doing kind of a date night or something along those lines, that battery isn't going to last as long as you might want it. So having to buy a second battery as a backup would be a con. But again, when you put it into the affordability picture, the relativity versus the Theragun or the main players in this space,
$500 difference.
An extra battery is really inconsequential. So overall, I highly recommend this for its price point, all the things I just mentioned, and yeah, it's an advanced tool that they're using in a lot of high-end therapy these days. So you get to tap into some really kind of cutting-edge stuff on the cheap, and it'll help you in your recovery and all the rest of it. So yeah, I like it.
And when you build it yourself, you feel super empowered and like, yes! So we love it, and I think you should definitely make one. And thank you so much for watching. Come back for more videos. Comment below. Did you use it? Did you like it? Did you have any problems making it?
Yeah.
See you later.